Welcome to Marketing Newbies, where we explore the exciting and ever-evolving world of digital marketing. I'm your host, Shelley, and my journey in this field started over a decade ago. Since then, I've experimented with different websites, blogs, and online stores, and I'm excited to share my experiences and insights with you. Today, we will be discussing the impact of AI on digital marketing jobs. With the rise of AI, many people wonder if their jobs are at risk of being replaced by machines. However, we will show you that there are still many areas of digital marketing where human expertise is essential. Here are 5 examples of digital marketing roles that will still be very relevant in the future. Number 1. Content creation. One area where human expertise is critical is content creation. AI can generate content, but it is still limited in its ability to create content that resonates with humans. A human touch is needed to create compelling and engaging content that speaks to the needs and desires of a specific audience. Content creators and writers are still in high demand because they bring a unique perspective and creativity that AI cannot replicate. Number 2. Digital marketing strategy. Another area where human expertise is essential is in developing and executing digital marketing strategies. While AI can help with data analysis and identifying trends, human marketers are needed to interpret the data, develop insights, and create strategies that align with business goals and customer needs. Digital marketing strategists are responsible for developing effective marketing plans and campaigns that connect with customers on a personal level. Number 3. Social media management. Social media is an integral part of digital marketing, and while AI can automate certain tasks, social media management still requires human creativity and community management skills. They are responsible for creating and executing social media strategies that align with the brand's goals and resonate with customers. They are also responsible for building relationships with customers and engaging with them in a human way. Number 4. Brand management. Branding is a complex and nuanced process that involves developing a unique identity and messaging that resonates with customers. While AI can help with data analysis and insights, human marketers are still needed to create and manage the brand's overall strategy. Brand managers are responsible for developing and executing branding strategies that establish the brand's identity and reputation. Number 5. Customer experience. Customer experience is a critical aspect of digital marketing, and while AI can provide personalized recommendations and support, human interaction is still crucial for building relationships and providing exceptional customer service. Customer experience managers are responsible for ensuring that customers have a positive experience with the brand and that their needs are met. Therefore, in conclusion, while AI can enhance digital marketing, it cannot replace the unique skills and capabilities of human marketers. Digital marketing jobs that involve creativity, strategy development, and human interaction are less likely to become redundant because of AI. Content creators, digital marketing strategists, social media managers, brand managers, and customer experience managers are just a few examples of digital marketing job titles that will continue to be in demand in the future. So, if you are considering a career in digital marketing, you can be confident that there will still be plenty of opportunities for you. Just remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies and to continue developing your skills and expertise. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing your digital marketing skills. Please like and subscribe for more information about digital marketing and e-commerce.